Assalamualaikum all dear aspirants, I hope you all are doing very well. I'm sharing the applying procedure for CSS Special Exam and Challan Form for it. So you may visit on the official website and you may download it, but if you need the rules and Challan Form, then you may contact me on my WhatsApp number. I provided my contact number right here. So I wish you good luck all the aspirants. So here is the guideline for the online submission of application for written CSS Special Competitive Exam. So you may read it. They have already discussed about login of special CSS MPT candidates. You may edit the profile, applying online, printing and dispatch. You may read all the details, and you have to go here. After that, you will click here. Wait a second. You will click here. CSS Special Competitive Exam, written exam. You are applying for written. You have to mention login ID and password, and you have to click on login. After that, you will create or update profile. So you have to fill all these blocks, and if you are not the part of any category, you just have to skip that section. So here, apply for CSS, and further details means you have to mention the details of Challan Form, means receipt number. Is it 13, 14, 15, 150, etc, etc, and fee says 2,200 rupees only. You have to submit it in NBP, National Bank of Pakistan. Mention your district or code, and treasury receipt date, means the date of Challan Form, and test center you wanna choose. If you want to choose test center of your choice, then you may choose from here. And after that, you have to select your subjects, and you do not forget to click on save button. And here you may edit your optional subjects, and you may add occupational group. Choose occupational group, and you have to save all the information by clicking here. And you have to fill the procedure of Challan Form, as I already have told you, and fee structure is, and you have to submit an NBP. And finally, it will be the outlook. You may say that it will be the output of your biodata. So it will look like this, and finally you have to save it. You have to take print, save it, take print, and do not delete this application after filling it. You have to save it on your PC, and you have to save it permanently. And here is the Challan Form I already have shared in my group. So here you have to mention your name, CNIC, and you have to mention bank name or branch code, city and district. And this block, this one and this one is just like first one. I hope that it's clear, and if you have any question or any query, and if you have any confusion, you may inbox me, and you may contact me on WhatsApp. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.